Toxin on the beat, toxin and neon fire, Jackaman's busy. Bona by the ball, I can't take the heat. I'ma keep doing this till I rat up a heat, and I'ma try by all means to avoid the cheat. Cause I get battle bifike batakolo in the free. The lion swearing ganaga jago the free. Yeah, matter of fact, including Sakalagawa, Hageseti to meet including Timo Yagago, Commissar Jaja, Maroskan Jaja, Talentwere Banaba Kenya Kabarapa, Talentwere Banaba Bakata, Kangoluzula Kemonangarangamo, yay. Hey, mara go apala matata gape ke gore rata go inyatsa re bo re dumela fa ba bangwe ba re fora nakana ke na le ditoro tse di tona so ba ma grind get money until ke kgora mathata gape motho le ne ga nka kgora motho ga nka kgora man yeah ke tlo say that guy always ready for boxing yeah it looks say that guy always ready for boxing. Toxin on the beat, digitally jakati panesa sama jerry. I can do damage, but instead I choose to spread my view. The hopola na kotele ke posta HVs back then. Kenegira la mostly for the view, but then I found passion from Tupac and his classic Thug Passion. And from there my way the losses were truly tragic. And I touched J. Cole and it's like magic. I was born into the industry, which isn't thriving because of bigotry. But when I shame their entertainment industry and choose to glorify that of another country. America as a country, so many stories to tell. Are we blind as a country? At least there are those striving for the people's appreciation as a bounty. But what about me, you ask? I'm guilty of this bigotry. So through my music, I mirror my views to ensure we strive beyond Hubble's far-reaching view. I'm here to recultivate and spread awareness. It's up to you to sow the seed and go into greatness. Yeah, it looks that guy always ready for boxing. It looks it looks that guy always ready for boxing. Yeah, it looks